Oh, hi guys. Sonic the Hedgehog here, and today I'm going to be looking out that snow out here. So I'll just open this window. I'll show you guys. Ugh. Look. See? Yep. Everything is all white. So let's say I'll call it the ice cap zone. Yeah, and everything. Yeah, I just love the snow. Get it, guys? Snow? I just love it. It's really cool. It's like the ice cap zone or ice mountain zone.
Sonic, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, Bear. I'm just looking outside just to see the beautiful snow and everything.
Ooh, what a surprise, eh? I wish we were to go outside and play. Is that okay with you, Sonic?
That sounds great. Thanks.
But first, we gotta stay inside before we don't get hurt outside in the blizzard, okay?
Okay, Bear. I will do my best.